GOYO GM12HR42516MCN Lens Review. Overkill for machine vision, or ultimate sharpness cheat code? Ever feel like your imaging setup is holding you back? Blurry inspections, missed defects, and frustratingly unreliable focus killing your precision? Whether you're deep in machine vision, automated inspection, or industrial imaging, you know the pain of tools that just can't keep up. Wasting hours retaking shots, fiddling with focus rings, or battling uneven image quality sound familiar? It's exhausting. You're stuck in a loop of wasted time, blocked by subpar optics, and your motivation is slowly draining away. Why? Because your lens simply isn't delivering the clarity your work demands. And here's where it gets uglier. Missed flaws during inspections? Costly recalls. Poor imaging resolution? Missed targets and lost credibility. That creeping burnout as every project feels like pushing a boulder uphill? It's real. Deadlines loom, errors multiply, and your imaging rig feels like it's fighting against you. Meanwhile, competitors are upgrading their systems while you're stuck with yesterday's tech. If you're losing contracts and trust because your lens can't handle modern imaging demands, it's not paranoia, it's happening. But what if you could obliterate that bottleneck? Enter the GOYO GM12HR42516MCN 12MP fixed focal lens, your new secret weapon. This beast delivers ultra-high 260 LP per mm resolution and a true 25mm focal length, precision engineered in Japan. Compatible with 1-inch sensors and built rugged for industrial settings, it's not just a lens, it's a transformation. From automated inspection to robotic imaging, this lens gives your vision system the crystal clarity it deserves. Say goodbye to soft focus and unreliable results. This is professional-grade optical engineering at its finest. Imagine tack-sharp imaging, effortless focus, and industrial durability in one sleek, lightweight lens. With an aperture range from f1.6 to f22, a standard C-mount, and a compact form factor, the GOYO GM12 slots into your system like it was meant to be there. It's flexible, fast, and ultra-precise, ideal for automated QA, factory inspection, or any machine vision task where clarity isn't optional. Curious how much better your setup could perform? Trust us, you'll want to see this in action. Thousands of industry pros swear by GOYO's optical precision, and now's your chance to join them. Don't get left behind while your competitors upgrade their vision systems. Supplies of this industrial-grade lens move fast. Why? Because it works. So, what are you waiting for? Tap the link, grab your GOYO GM12HR42516MCN, and unlock true high-resolution imaging today. This isn't just a lens, it's your competitive edge. Don't wait. Act now. Your next level inspection starts here.